In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quantum in Ability Wars. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to unlock Quantum, and I'm going to give you an overview of all of its abilities. So Quantum can be found all the way on the back. So as you can see, it is one of the most expensive abilities that you can get. It is going to cost you 40,000 punches, and it has this purple name. So walk over to Quantum, and you will be able to acquire it when you reach 40,000 punches. This ability allows you to open a powerful realm along with teleport and punch with higher damage. Quantum has 2 moves and 1 passive ability. It also can transport other players to different dimensions like Portal, Blood God, and Gingerbread. So to start, for its passive, Quantum is going to have an ability titled Dematerialization. So your punches will deal double damage. So instead of 10, your punches will now deal 20 damage. This stacks with other damage multiplying sources. So if you have other sources of damage that multiply your punch, they will use the base damage of 20 instead of 10. When you press E, you are going to use Quantum Rift. You will charge up for a moment with reduced speed before opening a rift to the Quantum Realm. So this rift is going to open, dragging yourself and all nearby players inside. Everyone will be dragged across, and in this realm, it is going to be a purple void of floating cubes, a control platform, and an escape rift. The cubes in the Quantum Realm slowly disappear over time. By jumping into the rift located atop the control platform, you will be able to free yourself from the Quantum Realm. So you will spawn on your control platform, and you will be able to rotate the cubes, enlarge them, lower the gravity, make a black hole, and escape, which frees everyone. So essentially, you have control over everyone who is sucked into this hole. Next, you have your Q ability. Q will make you teleport to a random location on the map. So you will be able to pop in and out of specific locations at will. And this is going to be great for escaping dangerous enemies and can rarely set up surprise attacks, so the main usage is to get away from bad situations that you cannot win. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Quantum Ability Wars. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.